Happy Saturday for me. 4 days left. Today is Lapras Day. And we're going to Magic Kingdom and get some cinnamon rolls. And then I think later, all we have planned is Hoop-de-Doo, but we'll just do whatever we can until then. And we're back. To the cinnamon bun. To the cinnamon roll. Let's get it. Let's get it, get it. Ooh, excessive. I love it. Let me have some Lafau brow. Ooh. That's literally just butterscotch soda. Ooh.
Oh god.
That makes me feel guilty eating this. Yikes. Back at it for Lapras Day. Number 2.
Lapras number 2.
Alright, let's see. Let's see what you're gonna give me.
Shiny.
It's shiny?
No.
Oh. Shiny, 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 shiny. Normal! You don't even have to bury it. Shiny, 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 shiny. Well, you have to hit it first. Okay, well. Yay! Doesn't matter. Pokemon. Oh wait. That matters though.
Welcome aboard Monorail Line. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors.
Epcot Lapras. Well, almost Epcot Lapras. There's the ball. So kind of Epcot Lapras. Let's see if Epcot is nicer to me. Hey, I can hear the Figment song. I can't unhear it now. Let's get some more Lapras. We are underneath the Epcot ball, which means this is gonna be a shiny. Please. I think I've got as many Lapras as I've got Gengars and Moltres those days.
This is basically a community day.
Pretty much. More fun community day. 16 Laprases later. It is so hot. It is so hot.
I think this is the hottest day.
I thought the other days
keep
were
saying
hot,
that, yeah,
but
I keep
no,
saying
this is easily the hottest. Good siesta.
Oh, so much more tolerable. Still hot, but more tolerable.
It feels like 97. Let's stop by the registration desk and get our tickets, and then let's go to Hoop-de-Doo Day or whatever it was.
We should get ribs.
Where is it that we have to go to?
We have to get a phone from Magic Kingdom to...
Where's the boat?
It's like near the monorail. It's right there.
Hoop-de-doo, hoop-de-hoo, doo-doo-doo. Welcome. All right, we're just trying to pass some time until it's time to eat our food. Yeah! You just fell into my trap card.
Wait, what?
I just invented my own rule.
No, you can't do that.
Well, we can start putting them along the...
No.
I think you won. Unless something amazing happens.
Oh, you're two now.
Just a quick update. Somebody's entire empire has been dismantled.
Entire empire has
and now it's even. Oh, you win! Yes! A winner is me! That sucks.
Wait, no, I can't.
You can't though. How did that happen? Nobody knows.
Let's go.
What's our ticket? What's our ticket? What's our ticket? Ooh, 56. Sounds like a good table. I think I like 56.
Yeah.
56. He was right. We did get a good seat. Look at the rest of the food. It's just a lot.
A lot of
corn left there.
So, if one of them got your hand and all these things like, hey, come on up here, burn that real good time.
That thing's big. Look at
The
that.
RCCR Spectacle, it is.
That was good.
It's fun. I had fun.
It was fun. It was funny.
Yeah.
I'm full.
I'm full.
It's time for a pleasant boat ride into the sunset. That is really nice. Look at that. Rainbow.
Yeah.
We'll go back to Magic Kingdom. We're back.
And we're back.
And we're back to Magic Kingdom. Every place we go to, every place we go to is essentially, and we're back.
Just 2 weeks of underpass.
Because we've been everywhere, multiple times.
Multiple times, but I'm gonna be so sad when we leave because I know we're not gonna be back for like
Ever.
a while.
Where's my
A
fancy
long
lane?
while.
It's everywhere. Whoa.
I like how we know where to turn at what point. It's like really bad.
Oh my god. Oh my god, where do I look? I like that. See what I mean about that boom? Jeez.
Wow.
See it for the night, Magic Kingdom. When we come back, 3 more days. 3 more days. Wait, right? 3 more days?
3 more full days.
We're done for the day, but dang, the water and the lights.
Right?
The lights reflecting on the water, so pretty.
Oh,
Look at that.
nice resort. I like this resort.
It's pretty nice, yeah.
Stay here again.